guys, welcome back to my channel. Obviously this normally isn't the way that I come on camera, but we're just keeping it real tonight. It's literally 11 o'clock. I'm in my PJs, have my hair up. Obviously I'm in like a sleep shirt, but you know what? My filming room is so messy and it's getting to the point where I cannot even think. So I was like, you know what? Let's start cleaning. So I'm just gonna kind of take you guys with me on this cleaning journey. I don't know what all we're gonna do, but we'll see. So I haven't really showed you guys my beauty room, so we'll do kind of like a before and after. We got some packages on the floor. If you come to this side, I have some new containers. That is part of my makeup kit. Whew, we have a big old mess over here. This is part of my separating for giveaways. All these boxes right here. So there we have that. We have some priority stuff for mailers. This drawer right here, I can't even get closed because something fell behind it. And then we have just kind of this mess. Whew, sorry for the yawning. More of my kit stuff. This closet, which let's just like move this and get some light in here. All this stuff we have got to go through. So we also have this, which look, this is like real life. Putting stuff behind this. I haven't even taken the bottom of this off of my picture frame, and then we have more boxes. So we are about to rip that whole closet out and pull it out on the floor. Well, wish me luck. So my layout of my beauty room is a little bit hard to understand because it's actually a living room. We have 2 living rooms in our house. So here is the front door. If you guys ever see that whenever I'm snapping, this is technically the front door. We actually use another door. That's the driveway. So anyways, I just put all these packages up against the wall, put my little side things up against the wall. This is like my filming lights, and we're going to, again, drag all the stuff out. So here's what we have going on. I pulled out like Zuka bags. These are like cases for some of my lights. Random boxes with lots of makeup in them. So I'm going to start going through these and kind of like separating them out and see what we come up with. I didn't get everything out, but I got everything out for the most part. And I have got to just bite the bullet and throw some boxes away. I'm like so scared to throw away boxes because I love them so much. But I have like the YouTube box that my plaque came in and stuff. Like some of that I don't need, like that box right there, the Too Faced box. Why am I holding on to this? I do not know. So it's got to go. Okay. Moment of realness right now. Okay, so I have this box full of like different brushes and stuff. I pulled it out of one of these drawers a long time ago when I needed to make more room, and I do not know the last time these beauty blenders have been washed, and honestly they look like they're probably like disgusted and molded, so they're going in the trash. So I can't believe I'm going to show you guys this, but hey, this is reality. I have all these boxes lined up. These are mostly boxes of new makeup items, some shades that maybe didn't work for me, things like that. And when I say work for me, not used items. And this is kind of how I'm sorting my giveaway bins for you guys. So apparently I have lots of bags. This is like a Kevin Aquan bag. I love this so much. It says, "Today I see everywhere." Oh my gosh, I can't speak. And I can't breathe because it's so hot and I'm like sweating. "Today I see beauty everywhere I go, in every face I see, in every single soul." Love that. So this little bag right here is going to be my bag for my bags. So that one's going in. You guys have no idea how hard it is to film with one hand. And then this one's like a new one. It was like a VIP exclusive. We'll put that in there. Okay, so here's some of the items that came out of this box right here. I also just found this. Oh my gosh, this is Laguna, I believe. Oh, come on, focus. Is it going to focus? Oh, you're going to focus. I don't know how people use this to film, but okay, anyways, this is definitely Laguna. I don't know why it's not focusing, or maybe I'm just blind. Okay, so here's kind of like my declutter pile, because some of this is a declutter, obviously like the NARS. This is an Inglot liner that I found, and it was just, there's like a part on here. I don't know if I can find it. There it is. It looks like there's like a hole that's missing because it's so old and I never opened it, so that's very sad. This is an old Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, which I do really like the mascara. And then some stuff that I've just like, it's just junk that I have like multiples of, and it's like old, like this Hourglass glue. Some some stuff that I really want to keep. This Makeup Forever, like little Christmas ornament, but it broke. And then we have like a really old Sigma glove. And you know, I don't want to like get rid of some of this, but it's just like hoarding my makeup room. And it's just stuff that I need to get rid of, even though I really, really, really don't want to. Like this box. I've had this box for 2 years. This was like one of the first PR things that I got from Octoly from Charlotte Tilbury. And it had like an eyeliner and something else in it. And when you open it up, it lights up. So yeah, just little stuff like this. It's hard for me to like say goodbye to. Like I have a little palette over here that I'm like stashing away stuff. But yeah, and then some other stuff. Like this eyeliner is so super old. The Alot gel liner, this one's probably really old too. And I don't know why it's doing that like weird like thing. And then we have like some bolts and screws. I think that's for my desk, and like eyelashes. Please check out those eyelashes at the bottom. Tip 101 why it's good to organize, because literally I've been looking for this brush for forever and I thought that I lost it. These are like some brushes that I got with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collection or whatever it was, but then look, I still have the sticker on this, but then I ended up putting like a bunch of other brushes in this for a trip and I totally forgot about them. And then we have some Back to Mac lip products, which I'm saving, and then I found a whole nother bag of bags. So these are all going together, and I'm going to try to start taking some boxes out in the hallway. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so it's kind of dark, low light. I'm literally out in our hall. Like these are the boxes I've gotten rid of. And these are the boxes I'm going through right now. And you guys, literally, this is embarrassing, but I'm just gonna show y'all again because we were being upfront and honest. This stuff is so old, like a Laura Mercier powder. It has like, you see that? I can't even believe I just showed that to you guys. It has dust all over it. So yeah, this foundation's still good, but most of these are going in the trash. I'm gonna keep going through this box. Some of it's makeup and then like just other junk stuff. And yeah, this is the life of a makeup hoarder right here, because like I have been putting off going through this for so long, and like Snow keeps telling me like, you need to go through it, you need to go through it, and I keep putting it off and keep putting it off and keep putting it off. So now I'm going through it. These boxes are bringing back so many memories. I'm gonna walk in here so you guys can see this in the light. So I remember when I first started YouTube, I was terrible at lashes, and I bought some velour lashes. And so I was like, okay, once I get good at this, I'm gonna use these lashes because they're so expensive. And I don't know if you guys can see the hole. I went to try them on, and this is actually after I've been on YouTube like a year. I ripped the band. So as much as I want to keep these are going in the trash. Lots of stuff going in the trash. This whole box is trash. There's just like old, I don't even know if you guys can see it. You can't. The lighting's too dark, but it's basically just like a Sigma. Some of these like container things that are just old and nasty and dirty. We have some Victoria's Secret like sprays, which they're probably expired. So yeah, this is trash. And then also this box right here. And then these are the boxes I'm actually getting rid of. Pretty proud right now. This is like a hard step for me. Okay, so I'm going through my closet and I found this box right here. And open it up. This was like my first ever vault. I got it when was it? It was like November of like the first year I started YouTube, and it had all these different YSL lipsticks, and I literally just realized that I did not pull them all out. You guys, this is terrible. Look how pretty. I love the YSL lip oil. Okay, these aren't coming out gracefully. I do have all these lipsticks out in my collection though. Yeah, those are lip products that I've never even used. This is gonna be hard to throw away, but I gotta do it. Taking you guys through the struggles of this de-organize my room. This was the Artis case that my Artis brushes came in when I first purchased them. It's just like this nice white velvet case. I've had this like stored up in the closet. And then this is like a box from It Cosmetics that was sent with like one of the first PR packages they ever sent me, and I've saved it. Again, some of this stuff is sentimental. I know it's dumb because it's just like boxes, but it means a lot more to me. But I need to, again, just like reorganize and rethink, so it's gotta go. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, the magical Glam Glow package. Let me get this out and show it to you guys. So first we'll show you the Big Book of Sexy. Sorry, this is like sideways, but this was another vault that I bought that same year for Glam Glow. Let me rip this pack off of it. Here's all the products it came with. Like it literally had every Glam Glow cleanser and mask. I think that I'm not gonna be able to get rid of this. I think I'm gonna have to keep this. Which I don't know why. Oh my gosh, there's literally still like the little eye packets in here. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. Okay, maybe I'm gonna put this to the side because I do need to take all those out. And this is so dusty, but it's so big. Let me put that to the side. Next is this Artiste box. They actually sent this to me this past year with a launch for holiday. So you have this cute little Artiste bag, which I need to just go ahead and get all the stuffing out so I can get rid of some of this. So Artiste bag. This, I'm not going to open it up all the way, but it's like an Artiste scarf. Super casual. Then we have the huge Elite Mirror brush. This is the palm brush. And then they also sent over some of this cleaner. So we will box this up. And this box is going. And some of this I might put in a giveaway. We'll see. Now what do we have? Okay, next we have, this is something I need to keep, but I'll show it to you guys. I actually bought this 2 years ago and I haven't even read it. I need to get on it. But this is the Ray Morris Makeup Masterclass. I bought Me and Cotton one. Hey guys. Okay, let's do an update. So it's almost 1 o'clock. I'm exhausted. Let me show you guys the hallway so you can see all the stuff I've gotten rid of boxes wise. So we got Jouer, Artiste, CoverGirl, another CoverGirl, Becca, Too Faced, Smashbox, Milk Makeup, and then all these boxes right here. So let me show you guys the room. This is still a hot mess right here. Then we got packages for mail haul. I mean, it's still a hot mess, you guys, but let's give me a little credit. I cleaned up a little bit. These are obviously much fuller. I cannot believe the Artist Couture highlights I never used. I got them at IMATS. And then this area, oh, I'm sleepy. Yeah, all this area needs quite a bit more work, but let's just round of applause for the closet because it's completely cleaned out. Y'all remember how much was in here? This is such a small closet, so I'm trying to figure out like how to store stuff in it and it still be kind of like neat looking. And then up here in the closet is basically where I put some of my acrylic storage. I kept this Glam Glow. Sorry, I don't know why I have the camera tilted. It looks like it's everything sideways. But I have the Glam Glow and then the book right here and then some more drawers. So yeah, lots more to do tomorrow. But I think I need to call it a night because I am exhausted. Alright, so this is day 2. We still have all those boxes that will be gone tonight when I do videos. I got up this morning and just went ahead and tried to organize all this. Well, there's still a few things like the Kleenex box. We need to get that up out of the way. Let's put that on the pedestal. I haven't been able to clean all that up yet. And the stuff behind here I haven't moved only because that's what actually props up my background. I don't have my background like hung up because this table is so wide. Whew, sorry I'm yawning because I'm so tired. But yeah, this is like basically my backdrop. Okay, so yeah. Here's all the boxes for giveaways and stuff. We have lots and lots and lots of stuff in there. I think I said this last night, but I found, yeah, I did say it, the Artist Couture set, and I haven't even used it, so that might be going in a giveaway. It's like a big ticket item. Snow has to fix the store right here because I can't get it to shut. But yeah, all this floor is clean. It is a miracle. And then the closet, I ended up putting this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea little PR package and then something that Drunk Elephant sent over. And then here's the floor. So I have, this is like my makeup artist kit stuff. Those are the tops of the containers. And here's a couple of the packages I kept, like the Too Faced Candy Johnson collab, a cute little pop like box, the Pixie box, because some of that I might actually end up hanging on the wall later. But yeah, so far very happy with everything. I gotta get some of this like cleaned up and looking a little bit neater, and then it's gonna be on to all the makeup organization because it is a hot mess, like literal hot mess. But yeah, let me kind of like step back so you can see the room much better than where we started, for sure.